It's a brand new day. Oh my gosh. Should I get up and go to class today? I think I'm gonna lay back down for a second.
I've been through so much of shit, this shit'll make a nigga sing. I remember rocking bugle boys, now I rock designer jeans. God dang, you just like my chain, you just like